In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get bundles and supply here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by getting loaded into the game, and you need to hit the three dots up in the top left and then hit the three lines up in the top left in order to open up the menu. From here, go down to store on this left-hand sidebar, select it, and inside the store, you're going to see sections like bundles and supply in here. This is essentially the section that looks like this, and these are a bunch of different packs, and you can either get these for some Robux right here, because, I mean, they do require this is essentially a paid method to progress faster. But bundles will give you bigger rewards while supply packs are smaller and more frequent. Essentially selected, you'll have the opportunity to buy it, and once you go ahead and purchase it, it will go straight into your inventory. However, if you're not trying to spend Robux, you're going to have to use other methods in order to get this, like either redeeming codes or, of course, just playing matches and getting them over time through gameplay. But that is the entire process. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.